Hey everyone, so I wanted to go over MathType with you in case you wanted to use that depending on your project. So, I opened a Google Doc and I went to add-ons. You might have to get the add-on, but there's an add-on called MathType. So go here and download that onto your Chromebook. I'm going to insert a math equation. So when I insert a math equation, I will have something pop up. And there's lots of things in here. So you have square root. So let's say you're doing solving a square root. I can click here and then x minus 5. And then I'm going to hit the over arrow, over plus. The over arrow is important to get out of the square root. Otherwise, you'll be stuck in there forever. You don't want this to happen. So plus 3 equals, stuff like that. So once you get done with the square root, hit the over button, plus 3 equals, 10. And then what you do is you click, go away, insert, and it inserts it. Now another thing, and then you can copy and paste it. Now I use, I don't know if you guys have this, but I use what's called the snipping tool. So if I just go on, I use my snipping tool constantly. So what I would do is I would snip this, edit, copy, and then I can go into my project that I've been working on. See, I want to add, and then I right click and paste. Now this is in here and I can kind of move it around, right? So that is an option for what you can do for your project. Where'd it go? I think it's hidden. Let's see, paste. There it is. You can make it bigger. So what you could do is you could show your work and copy and paste this. Another thing, you could save it as a picture. I think using equations as pictures, I personally think is a little easier, but that's just me. Another thing you could do with MathType, you could do the square roots. You could make your fractions nice. So I want a nice fraction, 2 over 3x. And then squared is, now, let's see how this one works. Squared, right, plus x, and then you go up to the, and then I could do 2/3. And notice when I put 2-3, it automatically turned it into a fraction, which is nice. And then hit over to get out of that again. Equal, oh, no, I didn't hit over again. Hit over a couple times. And then I can turn that into, and use my arrow 3x up squared. So there's lots of stuff you can do. And then I just hit insert. And you can copy and paste this. Let's see, what if I just hit copy? Control C. Will that insert? I literally have no idea because I never use this stuff. Oh, yeah, so you don't actually have to even use the snipping tool. You can just copy and paste it in if you're using this. Be careful, so sometimes you can, sometimes you can't, it depends on the problem. Application you're using. For example, when I try to make a Google form, it won't copy and paste into it when it's in MathType. It freaks out and gives me crazy stuff. So that is an option for when you're handling harder functions for your project. All right. Let me know if you have any other questions. Bye.